In this short and quick video, I will show you how to connect your wireless microphone to your DSLR camera. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to mount the receiver onto our DSLR camera. Every receiver has got a clip, so use that clip to mount it on top of the DSLR's shoe. If your receiver has got antennas, then turn them to 90 degrees. The most important thing is to use the correct cable, which is a TRS to TRS cable. Every TRS plug has got two black rings. Connect one end of the cable to the back of the receiver where it says output, and the other end of the cable to the side of your DSLR where it says mic. If your transmitter has got a place to insert a lavalier mic, then insert the lavalier mic to the mic port. If your transmitter has got an antenna, then rotate the antenna to get the maximum range. Now simply hold the power button for 3 or more seconds to turn on the transmitter. You can understand that the transmitter is picking up your voice when the light in here starts blinking as you speak. Use the clip on the back of your transmitter and clip your transmitter to the side of your pocket. Now pass the lavalier mic from underneath your clothes and then clip it to the collar of your t-shirt or any other convenient position where it is as close as possible to your mouth. If your transmitter has got an internal mic, then you can directly place it on your clothes as close as possible to your mouth. Now let's turn on the receiver and start doing some tests. As I speak, you can see the bar moves on the receiver. That means it is getting the signal from the transmitter. So I have now connected the internal mic of this wireless microphone and I'm talking through the internal mic, as you can see. So we can also compare the lavalier mic connected to the transmitter against using the internal mic directly. Now that we have connected the wireless microphone to our DSLR camera, we can record from quite a far distance without the interruption of wire connected to the DSLR. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to watch my other videos on BoomX or other wireless microphones in here, and to subscribe in here to support my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.